We had a BNSF Warbonnet there. It's my third Warbonnet today, I think. Looks like a lot of United States Postal Service so far. FedEx. High priority train. Main track number 1. Most of the trains going east last week or two are in main 1. A lot of them coming down are 2 and 3. Hey, 125, what's up? We're at the lower Swarthout Canyon crossing. Mile post about 64.5. Probably says on that shit over there. But that's close enough. I saw a show the other day. I watched videos of some people that catch rides on trains. This guy was riding on one of these spinebacks with the pig with the wings on it. He was hiding right under there, laying there with his backpack and his bottle of water. I don't know if you want to try that through the Cajon Pass. I wouldn't try it anyway, but definitely not here. Got some refrigerated units here. You can hear it running. Keeping that stuff frozen. A lot of these prime intermodals have refrigerator units on them. Sort of these white arrows. Yeah, if you listen, you can hear the engines running on the cooling units. Yeah, these faster trains though. But FedEx, UPS, United States Postal Service. And there's the end of the train. Rail fans, Cajon Pass. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe to my Instagram page and YouTube channel. Love to hear your comments always. If I know to delete it. There's Freddy. There's a blue Freddy. Must be a boy. All right, rail fans. Take care. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.